I had a scheduled thing that told me to change my blade, but I think my blade's, well, we'll see. I'll judge it on this box. I'm either going to change the blade of my knife this episode or not. I mean, I'm only cutting tape here. That's pretty good. Right. All right. I'm going to keep this blade right next to that so it annoys me. This purchase was one of those, fuck you. You think I don't got the money for it? I've got the fucking money. This better be. Okay, so here's what it is. Oh, fuck, there's styrofoam in there. There's fucking peanuts. This is what I get. This is what I get. Because it's just, it's not an addiction. This is not anime figures, by the way. I say the word addiction. And this is upside down, but that's, oh, fuck. Oh, God, how do I opened it up from the bottom. Because I didn't want to show my address, but I don't think this is going to be possible from the bottom. So I'm going to have to cover that and then open the top. I usually open from the bottom and it's fine, but this is a special case scenario. Oh, God. Oh, it's even worse. It's even worse in this direction, it feels like. Oh, God. There's root beer in here. Gene Simmons Moneybags root beer. In fact, I still have one because I just checked and they're actually in there and they're actually root beer. I can drink this. I was looking like, what do I get to drink today? In the grand quest, pasta. Please link the root beer tasting challenge that we did. I think it was Z-Cooks or was it on this channel? Did I do that on the main channel? That was butter? We did butter on the main channel. We did a root beer tasting video, my family and I, my brother, I think it was my brother, sister, and I fucked up and I drank too much root beer and I felt like puking. But the amount of difference between root beers as you're trying them in a row is remarkable. Like, you think that a root beer is fine. Like, Virgil's is fine. Then you have it against other ones, and either Virgil's is much better than you thought or much worse. So, yeah, the results of that were like Sioux City was the best one I had. So I move out to PA here. Or I've been moved out to PA, but I moved out to like the country, and I can't get Sioux City. I can't get Dad's. I can't get all the ones that I liked. A&W was actually pretty good, but Wegmans had Moneybag singular. I thought it was Moneybag root beer, which is like their higher end spec by Gene Simmons of Kiss. So Gene Simmons of Kiss is like, here's the thing: when you're a retired movie star or musician, and you're not going to be able to play the fucking things anymore, and you're not making new albums, you got to make your money somehow. So Gene Simmons was like, fuck it, I'm going to make soda. Beautiful bottles. Look at the nice little head on that. It's one of the best root beers. This competes with all those other root beers. And I haven't drank that bottle in 4 months, because for 4 months I haven't been able to find that root beer at my Wegmans. So I tried to do some research to see if they like canceled it. Like, I don't know how you cancel a root beer, but if you cancel anything, you cancel a fucking root beer. And I found no word, no hide nor hair of like, hey, by the way, this got canceled. So I assumed it's just not in my store anymore. And it's not anywhere near me. So when I was on Amazon, I found they had it. It was expensive. Oh, God. And I bought the last 2 that were on there. Oh, fuck. This is the this is very rare. It's a very rare fucking pain. Jesus. You tell me a better way to get this out of here. I fucking dare you. The S is 2, which is an insult to me because my name is Steve. So there's a fucking S in there, and it's like, look at the S fucking foams. Oh, I can't even like flip it out. All right. Oh, don't you fucking dare. Even one of these touches the floor, I'm going to punch a baby. I'm going to find a baby. I'm going to find a woman that wants to have a baby. We're going to have a baby together. When as soon as it comes out, punching it. Then come back here and completing this fucking unboxing. Okay. I'll try to pick the ones out from inside the thing earlier. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why? Why is this illegal? Is this illegal, right? Tell me this is not made illegal. Please vote me president. Or I don't give a shit. Any number of countries or businesses. Where's Elon's tweet about fucking styrofoam packing peanuts? Oh, God. Anyway, it's a very cream, smooth root beer. Root beer, the problem I had with Virgil's, by the way, I brought Virgil's up as a specific example. Virgil's feels like they're trying real hard to make it special. There's like 37 different minute flavors. And I'm like, you know what? It's fucking root beer. It just tastes like root beer. That's why A&W is one of our favorites, because root beer should just taste like root beer. Root beer shouldn't taste like you're doing a science experiment or digging through the jungles of Panama to find the ultimate root. Just make me root beer. I like simple, sweet root beer. I'll keep that. And I'm actually going to keep this box. This is a really strong double-walled box. But fuck you. Any of them on the floor? We're not done with it yet. The babies aren't safe yet. That one on the countertop doesn't count as the floor. So here. Oh, baby. If I can't find this, because I bought the other ones that are at the stores, they're not as good. They're nowhere near as good. They're just not as good. Looking for that one, made it out. They come in a 4-pack too, which is great. No one wants a 6-pack. I mean, I kind of want a 6-pack, but if I did, all the ladies would be all over my dick. Ah! Oh, it didn't hit the floor. It hit here. Oh, you guys are so fucking lucky. Oh, we're getting into a dangerous section now, because now we have static buildup, causing it to do weird, funky things. This is... Oh, there's some in the middle. I just uprooted them. There's some in the bottom of this. Oh no, this one's being a bitch. I'm afraid to blow on it. Get off my hand! We're gonna do this directly. Okay. Oh yeah, they're hiding out. Oh, this is worse than termites. That one's trying to sneak on the bottom. Like Cape Fear. Oh, Cape Fear, Jerry! I'm doing Cape Fear! Ha ha ha! I'm doing Cape... Oh, God. Get off my fucking hand! It won't get off my hand. It won't... It won't... That's magic. If I blow on it... Ah! Where is that little prick? It's trying to actually get on my little prick. All right. I think we got it all. Oh, shit. I don't know. I think I paid $40-something for these 8 bottles. And you could bet your sweet, sweet fucking ass they're not coming out for every day. They're moneybagsodas.com. Rock Steady Sodas Incorporated, Niagara Falls, New York, made in USA. My money bag sodas are made only with the most elite of ingredients. This is soda royalty. If you have expensive taste, drink money bag. Honestly, the root beer is the only one I really like. He makes a cola, a ginger ale, and I think a cream. I don't know if the cream was ever available to me, but the regular cola was just okay, and the ginger ale was kind of meh. I didn't find it better than other ginger ales, but the fucking root beer. That's the good shit. Anyway. Oh. Baby punching time. Cowboy Comfort Food gold medal winner. Old hired hand, original 6-gun chili mixing. And there's a spice packet, and apparently you have 3 options. The tenderfoot chili, family style. Wave the unopened pouch over the chili. Don't add any, but tell them you did. Then there's outlaw chili, medium hot. Stir in half the pepper, hot enough to drive in-laws out. And then there's 6-gun chili, hot. Add all the pepper, then stir fast if you want to keep the spoon. I had to buy this. This is too fucking quirky and fuck. 760 milligrams of sodium. Times 5, Jesus Christ. Well, I won't be eating all of that. That's dumb. That's a dumb amount. It's doom. Literally D-U-M, dumb. When I make my own chili, you know, you have to add the salt, so I usually put a little less than a recipe calls for. But that sounded too damn good. We got some track light heads, which were on sale. In fact, this is all track light stuff. That's boring, but at least I read the chili. This is a recyclable package. And by recyclable, I mean burnable. Can't burn the plastic ones. You can absolutely burn the paper ones. So this is all stuff because I have things in the base. I have more they were basically giving away those track lights, those Juno track lights. Not the ones I use in this room. Those were special order dual circuits. The single flat ones. Oh, fuck, that's got sharp spikes on it. Here's a connector that just connects 2 of them together. And I think all the rest of these, now you're something different. You're a power connector. I don't think the other ones will work like this does. I need this to actually provide power to them. I may put one more track light set up in the basement. Here. This just clips onto the actual track and you wire it and you're done. This I'm going to need to extend the track light that's next to the speaker test area. And if you can buy actual heads for cheap, do so, because they're fucking $1 million. I'm just going to borrow this spoon. Where are my spoons at? There we go. They are black in nature, but they're the good style, which are like the full solid piece here, not the little bent piece of metal. So yeah, and these will, I think, do, no, there's no secondary sharp, but they have on-off switches here, which I don't know why they do, but I do employ those when I'm not using it. Yeah, these are really solid looking fixtures. Boom. These fuckers boom. They boom hard. So I have 4 of those, a track light extension, and a power track thing. And today's garbage day, so the garbage pail is not near me. Let's put this in here.